welcome and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Jay. Girl, you should go ahead and hit that subscribe button and the bonus too so you never miss another one of these lock updates, okay? Y'all, it has been a minute, like a cool minute. If you got a little echo, I'm sorry, because clearly we in a new space. If you don't know already, you need to go catch up on some vlogs, okay? You run it back, go catch up on some stuff, okay? Go catch up on some stuff and hit the subscribe button, because like, girl, I really don't know what you're doing. Like, why you not my friend? You don't like me like that or what? Let me stop, y'all. I need to put Ratchet J to rest. She needs a rest. Like, she need a break. She gotta be tired of me. Like, I don't know how we get here every single time, okay? So y'all, in advance, I'm gonna go ahead and apologize for the lighting or whatever, because we don't have no equipment, clearly, okay? Clearly. And we don't have a whole lot of furniture either, so we recording in the bathroom, girl. I sure hope y'all can hear this, because I don't want to do this no more. Not after this. So honestly, I meant to do a video at 4 months. However, time kept slipping away. And then it was like, okay, just wait. You could do a 6-month lock update. And girl, here we are at 6.5 months. Like, what we doing? We real life tapping on 7 months. But y'all, it's been a journey. However, this journey, chef's kiss. Period. Chef's kiss, okay? Will I say that everything has been absolutely great? Nah, girl, we ain't gonna sit up here and lie like that, because y'all know we keep it funky over here, okay? We keep it funky. But y'all, welcome to my 6-month lock update. Clearly, we have some things to discuss. A lot has happened, a lot's been going on, okay? Because I look completely different from 2 months, or the video that you guys saw the first time. It was already 2 months. So I look completely different though from 2 months to 6. And we love it here, okay? We absolutely love it. So first things first, the frizz. Y'all, we got mad frizz. Am I mad? Heck no, absolutely not. I like the frizz because I like my hair getting bigger. And honestly, this is like really straight compared to what it normally is. But I do still like braid my hair down, especially at night when I sleep. A lot of people probably don't really braid their hair at night when they sleep. I do it because I like the stretch look, for one. For two, I also do it because I don't want my hair to like lock but bunch at the same time, if that makes sense. I don't want to do the bunching thing again. We did that. We lost length before. We've been through that, and I don't want to do that again. It's like, it's a setback, honestly. Like, has it shrunk anyway? Of course. It's going to shrink. It's a part of the process. I completely get that. However, I don't want it to look like it looked last time, because that was a lot. That was a lot. My mental health couldn't even do it. Like, it was just like, y'all know. If you know, you know. If you don't, go check out my Loc Journey. I'ma link it down in the description box, okay? My first Loc Journey with traditional locks. Go check it out. Cause girl, we went through it over there. We did. Second, I experienced shedding. Like, it was more so in between the 2 and the 6 months, okay? I don't really experience as much shedding as I used to, but like now it's like, it's kind of like locking and doing this thing or whatever, so I don't experience as much shedding, but it does still shed. It's kind of like natural hair. The only thing is it doesn't get combed, so you can like run your hands through it sometimes, and girl, she shed, okay? She does shed, and sometimes it gets extra dry. But my thing is, like, okay, when you had this loose natural hair, you were putting all these products on it. You were putting like leave-in conditioners, deep conditioners, conditioners period. I don't know, just different things, moisturizers, oils, whatever. Well, I didn't really use oils on my natural hair, so let me not. But anyway, we were putting like things on it to keep it moisturized. Now I only spray like rose water on it, or regular water, or whatever is gonna get me through, especially since it's been summer. Like, summer, I haven't been home, or I haven't been in a steady place, so I haven't had everything I need all the time. However, the rose water, girl, we've been working with it because that's what we got. So other than that, we do like get some dryness because it's hot out here, for one. Okay, it's hot. It's hot. It's hot. And I just don't use other stuff really in my hair. I just don't want to deal with it. Oil makes my scalp do this nasty thing, and I don't like that. I really don't put oil on the ends either very much. I probably should start. Maybe I'll give it a try and see what it does. I don't know. We'll see, girl. I don't know. But right now, I just feel like if it's not broke, don't fix it. And right now, ain't nothing broke. It get a little dry sometimes. But a little spritz of water, a little spritz of rose water, whatever, gets me back right real fast. So next, y'all, the button. The button has been absolutely real life. Some of my locks look real lockish, okay? And like, especially in the back area, I get the most like, it happened with my last set of locks too. And girl, you probably won't even be able to see it, but she got button, like she kind of fat at the roots and stuff like that, and I like it. It's like they don't really come out anymore. The only place where I really experience slippage still is right up here around my edges, and honestly, I don't even really know. I can't even, it irritates me sometimes. It irritates me, and only because these two right here, I'm gonna just point these out. I'm looking in the mirror, by the way. The mirror's over here. Is it those two or is it these two? I think it's these two. Yeah. So these two right here are so dang tiny. Right there. I honestly might end up having to combine them. Only because like every time I wash, these two right here, they slip out. They slip out every single time I do a wash. So at first I was washing my hair like every 2 weeks. And then I slowed down on it because every time I wash my hair, these two would slip. And they have gotten so small because I would wait for forever to actually retie them or do whatever, put them back in, just make them look good. And girl, we be back at square one every single time. So they have slipped so many times. This last time that I washed, they didn't slip, but they're so tiny now. It's, girl, they looking like they might not make it. But we gonna pray for them because I hope they make it. I want them to make it. Like, I don't want to have to combine nothing because it's going to mess up like my party. And honestly, I knew I was going to have this issue because with my traditional locks, we went ahead and did those around the perimeter like bigger because my edges do grow out like really fine. And I know that, and they've been doing the same thing. And these right here were smaller because when I was parting, the rows were getting, girl, it was all over the place. This is kind of something that you do deal with though when you decide to do your own hair. It's like you don't know exactly what size you should be doing, so it's like really a trial and error type of thing. Like, I'm experimenting, and that's okay. It's okay. I'm okay with it, but they scaring me a little bit, y'all, because they real life holding over their life, and I'm over here like, don't fall, please don't fall. Now I do still braid and band when I wash, but girl, they still come out because most of the time these don't even reach the braid anyway. Like, they small. So clearly it hadn't all been great, but it hadn't all been bad either. Next, let's talk about rotations, y'all. So at first I started out with the 4-point rotation, which is like, you know, you just go all the way around 4 times, you know what I mean. Started off with the 4-point rotation, and then I started reading things. It's like, if you want them round and circular, do the 4-point rotation. If you don't, if you want them to be like a different type of way, then do the 2-point rotation or the 3-point. So y'all, at probably about 3 months, I think it was like 3 months, I tried a 2-point rotation. Girl, why did I do that? Because I feel like that's when I started seeing the most thinning around my edges or whatever. When I say they were so dang skinny at the front, like the girl, I hated it. And honestly, it was kind of hard for me to go from the 2 back to the 4 because the way that they look after you do the 2-point rotation, I just don't like it. Like, the 4-point rotation makes like perfect squares. If you can see like how the squares are, like looking at the roots, they're like more of a square shape. But with the 2-point rotation, they kind of elongate. So I feel like that's when my hair started to thin out. I probably shouldn't have did it in the first place, girl. Whatever, trial and error. We are literally experimenting. But learn from me. Learn from my mistakes, because you do not want we are looking crazy. However, some people do use the 2-point rotation and they actually like it. It works for them. But girl, me, no ma'am. We're gonna leave it where it's at. We're gonna let the other people have it, okay? Also, for my reties, I was doing like every 6 weeks. Girl, 6 weeks was way too long. So then I was like, okay, let's try every 5 weeks. I tried 5 weeks, that was too long. I literally have to stick to a 4-week thing. My hair grows entirely too much within those 6 weeks, within those 5 weeks. Girl, sometimes 4 weeks be looking crazy out here, okay? But I stick to 4 weeks because it keeps my hair from thinning out so much, and it looks better. And honestly, my edges, once again, girl, we gotta do every 4 weeks at least, so our edges don't catch no so we don't get no tension right there. And honestly, my roots start hurting and when it's time for a retie. So I've been doing every 4 weeks. It's been working out very, very well. You have to do what works for you though, but get on a schedule because it's very important. Because I'm about to show y'all something. Hold on. So as you can see, the middle of my head, girl, it's been so bad. I'm gonna keep it 100 with y'all. I have not done the middle part of my head in about 3 months. I'm not gonna lie to you. And girl, it's matted and it's tangled. And some of my smaller locks are literally like thinning out. I can feel them. I really need to do it, but the maintenance of something that you are doing yourself, and girl, it's 372 of these. Like, what was I thinking? What was I thinking? So really, all summer I have literally just been retying like the front part and then like the back part, and the middle just been out here lacking, and it is ridiculous. Get on a schedule, y'all. Stick to a schedule. Honestly, since we have gotten here, I'm gonna have to find me somebody to like retie my hair every once in a while. Like, I can do it, but I don't like it. I don't like it. It takes too long. It's taking all day, and I just don't have, no, it's taking several days. It's taking several days. Let's run that back. It's taking several days, and it literally takes all day for those several days. Most of the time it's like 2 days. However, that's a long time to not do anything else but hair, you know? So honestly, I'm gonna have to find somebody else to dig in every once in a while, because this is not giving what it's supposed to have gave, okay? I did start off doing my reties too with like a lock product, the same lock product that I was using on my traditional locks. I started using to do my reties or whatever. I haven't used it lately only because I haven't had it, honestly. We flew back home and then we've been back in the States ever since, and I just haven't had it, so I've just been using rose water. However, the lock product keeps my parts like hella crispy, and I like that. So I probably will go back to using the lock product at some point, but right now I just haven't been using it. It just helps me to keep my lines straight and things like that. Is it necessary? Not really. I don't think it's necessary, but I like to use it, so I think I might go back to it. And next thing, the lint. The lint. I didn't think I would experience this because, first of all, pillowcases are satin. My bad, couldn't find the words. My pillowcases are satin. My freaking, but it's like, I don't know, it be rubbing on like my collars and stuff right here in the back and stuff like that. Or sometimes I sleep with the cover like up too high, and sometimes, girl, I do sleep with that little thick cover because I be cold. However, the lint, girl, the lint, okay, it does catch lint right along this like back row or whatever, and some of it is like stuck and I can't get it out, and I don't know what else to do, but I'm just let it lock up in there because I don't have a choice. Like, at this point I can't really do anything about it. The rest of it doesn't experience much lint, like especially this top part, none of that. I don't really see lint or anything like that in my hair, but the back, she be catching it, okay? Also, y'all, I am thinking about dyeing my hair back blonde. I know. Judge your mama, okay? Judge your mama. I know. If you were following my traditional lock journey, you already know I was waiting. Like, I was dying to dye my hair back like a brown, like a darker brown, and just make it look good or whatever, because I was hating the blonde. Like, I was really hating it, but I think it was because my blonde just wasn't blonding. It wasn't blonde enough. Like, honestly, the blonde is kind of coming back. It's not what it was, but the blonde wasn't blonding. Like, it wasn't blonde enough for me, and I think that was the real problem. But I feel like this mimics natural hair like so much I want to go back to like that natural hair look that I used to have. So I've been thinking about dyeing in at like 8 months. Y'all let me know what y'all think down below. I'm kind of scared because like I said, I do still braid and band when I wash. I'm nervous about it, okay? I'm nervous, but I think I want to try it. But at the same time, I'm scared because y'all know I'm very, very indecisive. Like, I'm indecisive. I like my hair like this. It's okay, but it doesn't make a statement. And I want to make a statement. I like making statements. It's the Leo in me. But other than that, I have been loving my hair. I have absolutely been loving the journey. Y'all, to wake up and not have to do very much to your hair is top tier, okay? Top tier. It's like natural hair, but without the maintenance. As I've said before, it's giving what it's supposed to have gave, okay? I'm even loving the length right now. Like this little bob action we have going on, like, who? I mean, really, we love it here. My mom has even fell in love with my hair. Like I started her some microlocs too, like earlier this month. I want to say it was the 5th or the 6th. I didn't finish until the 6th. I started on the 5th, but it was like the 6th when I finished. So I don't know what day she won by. However, I did start her loc journey early this month. It's August, by the way. I'm gonna let y'all know that. I don't know when you're going to see this video. I don't know if it's going up this month or if it's going up in September. However, here we are. I'll be back if y'all want me to be back at 9 months. If you don't, let me know. Drop that down below because I'm not gonna waste your time if you don't want to see me here. But yeah, y'all, we absolutely love it here, and I'm so glad that I did this right here. I do not regret. At 6 months with my traditional locks, girl, I was low-key crying, no lie, because they were right here in the front. Like, girl, what? I can't even. Hold on, give y'all a proper. This is what they were looking like in 6 months, but the front was like up here somewhere. Girl, it was just giving, no ma'am. It was giving why you work so hard for your hair to look like this all of a sudden. Honestly, that's, you know, everything is not for everybody. I know people from the loc community gonna be trying to jump on me because I said that, but you know, everybody starts their loc journey for different reasons, and I didn't start mine for whatever reason you may have. I started them because I thought they were cute. But I wasn't cute. It wasn't giving. But I wasted enough of your time today, so we won't go into details or anything like that. I do hope you guys did enjoy this video. If you did, do not forget to give it a thumbs up, girl. It really does help my channel, and we would like to grow over here. I would like for you to grow with me as well. So don't forget to hit that like button, the subscribe button, the bell next to it so you never miss another upload. And I will see you guys in my next one.